Using a suitable cutter, we prepare the zone below the end of preparation line, the continuation of the radicular margin. Here, we mark the previous cut with highlighter paint. Now we apply the spacer. We mark the edge of the root end and end of preparation using a wax pencil and seal this line with high cyanoacrylate glue, Attack. Then wait for the area to dry before applying the insulation. At this point, we can start the wax modelling. The first layer of wax to apply on the stump is the same as that used to seal off the margin. The wax is applied with a modelling spatula in vertical strokes to compensate for the wax shrinkage. Pinning. We will use two types of pin, one with a diameter of 2.5 mm, light blue above, and one with a diameter of 3 mm, blue, which will become the feeder pins of the casting and of the wax that will be edges used for closing the edges, GC violet. Remodelling the edge. Cut off the edge using a 45-degree angled scalpel with the wax previously applied on the stump, then seal off the edge of the modelled crown. Creation of the stem for the setting phase during ceramization. Positioning of modelled elements. With the feeder pins on the supply sprue, diameter 4 mm, we position the 3 mm diameter casting runners. Weighing the elements after pinning. In the metal cylinder used to hold the modelled element, preparation with the line for expansion of the coating and sealing with wax. Positioning of all aforesaid elements on the teat and fixing of the latter. Prepare and pour the coating into the cylinder, then place it in a pressure cooker at 2 atmospheres. Wait for the set coating time and then place the element in the furnace with the traditional casting system. The cylinders in the preheating furnace must be positioned at an angle to facilitate exit of the wax and discharge gas that forms when the wax burns. Weighing the alloy. We prepare the Serio induction furnace with the weighed metal and set the casting temperature in the crucible. We turn on the machine and set the casting temperature according to the instructions for the specific alloy. Adjustment of counterweight according to the cylinder used for casting. We remove the cylinder from the induction furnace to place it in the support of the casting unit. Close the casting unit, then start the casting cycle. Mesting the alloy. When the alloy is molten, we press Start to activate the centrifugal cycle of the machine, and the alloy passes from the crucible to inside the cylinder.